Hey everybody, just a quick video for announcements. Wanted to pretend like I was doing a little face-to-face. So here's what's going on. Tonight you have the dark matter lecture tutorial due. Just a few notes on dark matter. You are going to really be paying attention to what we expected to see due to gravity. That's the first half of the lecture tutorial. And then you want to compare that to what we actually observe, the real rotation curves of galaxies like our Milky Way. The difference, right, is we expected because of gravity for the orbital speeds of the stars to go down, to decrease as you got away from the center of the galaxy. But instead, what we saw, the real rotation curve is flat, meaning that stars are feeling more gravity even way out at the edges. And so that tells us that there's something providing the gravity, that there's some kind of matter there, dark matter. So pay attention to that as you're doing that lecture tutorial. Also, Friday's class will be a set of videos and clicker questions on active galactic nuclei, or AGN, those supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies. So look for that, watch that. And then, of course, we have the test on Monday, online, normal class time. We're going to try this out. Y'all are going to do it. It's going to be great. Leading up to that, I've already posted the Jeopardy reviews. Since we're not going to have a review session, you can start looking at those Jeopardy reviews. And don't forget about Show Me How You Study. Show Me How You Study is due on Friday. Remember, you look at that review sheet, you answer at least half the questions, submit it on Moodle. That's worth 10 points of homework credit. Okay, hope you all are doing well. I really miss seeing you. But let me know if you have questions about anything. I'm available. Final note, why did the tomato turn red? Because he saw the salad dressing. Have a good day.